We now do the complete body warm-up, which follows the sensitive warm-up. We have already tried out our balance capability, and we are in the toe tap. And now we need a little bit more power to get warmer. Listen, right and left. This is right and left on top of the balance pad and left. You turn a little bit into the corners of the balance pad for an outward rotation from the hip. Right foot, left foot, right and left. Right, 4 more, 3, 2, and 1. I change. I go onto the floor, and we still have the toe tap, but we change it into a side to side. We will have both arms coming up. Here we go. Our right foot points to the outside, and our knees are bent towards the middle toe. 4 more, 3, 2, 1, no arms. Movement stays the same, and we do the same thing on top of the balance pad. We now walk to the other side, maintaining the foot pattern. Again. The control, the posture. A little bit more. 4 more. 2 and 1. Arms. Just swing your arms in this side-to-side movement. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. No arms. Left, right. On top of the balance pad, right, left. Listen, tap, knee lift, tap, knee lift. 4, 3, 2, and start. Tap, knee lift. Think on holding the 2 bars for maintaining balance. 5, 6, 7, 8, and only toe tap again. 7, knee lift and tap. 8 times. Knee lift